This is a complete expense policy violations report. 300 transactions checked against 12 company policy rules. 38 violations found, each one classified by type and severity. The whole thing took about 15 minutes to produce. A controller at a 400-person manufacturing company processes weekly expense reports from field service engineers, mileage claims that vary by state, per diem rates that shift by geography, and a technician's $180 hardware store purchase on a Saturday that falls somewhere between emergency repair and policy violation. Traditional audits review maybe 10 to 20% of what gets submitted. The rest goes unchecked. Violations that should have been caught in October surface in February. By then, the same employees have submitted 3 more months of the same charges. The gap compounds quietly. Spreadsheets catch the $85 dinner that broke the meal limit. They miss the streaming subscription renewing quietly for 5 months. Expense platforms enforce dollar thresholds, but cannot tell whether a grocery charge was team snacks or personal shopping. Sample audits check 12 reports and hope the other 288 are clean. Every transaction in the batch gets evaluated against every rule: meal limits and weekend thresholds, personal spending flags, recurring subscription charges. Each violation is classified and explained. Whether the pile is corporate card charges, mileage claims, or grant expenditures, the same raw data goes in and the same scored report comes out. The summary tells the controller in 3 seconds whether this was a clean week or a problem week. The detail table shows each flagged transaction, the specific rule it violated, and its severity rating. The breakdown groups violations by type, so patterns surface without digging. The recommendations name specific employees, specific amounts, and what to do next. A claims auditor at a regional health system runs the same process against payer rules instead of expense policies. A procurement analyst at a manufacturer checks purchase orders against approval thresholds. The structure holds. The compliance report adapts. What changes is the rules and the line items, not the coverage. LASA.ai. See what full coverage expense compliance looks like for your process. From corporate cards to grant expenditures, nothing gets skipped.